Hello everyone. With the vast selection of products available on Amazon, I've compiled a list of 20 fantastic car accessories for you. All the product links in the video description below. Let's dive in. The Automotive Tire Repair Kit is a comprehensive 68-piece set designed to quickly and effectively repair punctures in tubeless tires. Suitable for cars, motorcycles, ATVs, tractors, lawnmowers, RVs, Jeeps, trucks, and more, this kit ensures you're prepared for unexpected tire issues. It includes high-quality steel tools such as T-handle insert and spiral probe tools, a 4-way valve stem tool, L-type hex tools, a folding utility knife, and a storage case for easy portability. The kit also features self-vulcanization repair plugs, a tire pressure gauge, valve core remover, latex gloves, valve caps, chrome hex valve caps, standard valve cores, a valve core tool, utility knife, replaceable probe, carrying case, and lubricant. With this all-in-one solution, you can confidently handle tire repairs on the go. The PISFO 200-watt car power inverter is a compact and efficient device that converts your car's 12-volt DC power into 110-volt AC, allowing you to charge various electronic devices such as laptops, tablets, and smartphones while on the go. It features 2 standard AC outlets and 4 USB charging ports, including a 20-watt USB-C port and an 18-watt USB fast charger, providing versatile charging options for multiple devices simultaneously. Designed with portability in mind, this inverter is lightweight and compact, making it easy to carry and store. It is equipped with an ABS shell that is fully insulated to enhance safety levels and prevent overheating, undervoltage, overvoltage, overload, and short circuits. The Ansel AD410 is an enhanced OBD II scanner designed to diagnose and troubleshoot vehicle issues. It quickly reads and clears fault codes, turns off the check engine light, and provides code definitions. The device supports O2 sensor and EVAP system tests, helping monitor fuel efficiency and emissions. Its 2.4-inch TFT color display and user-friendly interface make it easy to use. Compatible with most vehicles from 1996 onwards, it offers lifetime free software updates for ongoing support. The Polidiki car cleaning gel is a versatile tool designed to clean hard-to-reach areas in your vehicle, such as air vents, steering wheels, console panels, storage bins, cup holders, door handles, and dashboards. This reusable gel effectively picks up dust, crumbs, and debris, leaving your car interior looking fresh and clean. The gel is made from natural materials, is safe for your car, and has a pleasant lavender scent. Additionally, this gel can be used to clean keyboards, printers, cell phones, calculators, TV remotes, and furniture, making it a versatile cleaning solution for both your car and home. The portable transfer pump is a battery-operated electric siphon pump designed for efficient liquid transfer. It features a 24-inch hose and a 1/2-inch discharge tube, allowing for quick and easy pumping of various liquids, including gasoline, diesel, water, and light oils. With a flow rate of 2.6 gallons per minute, it can transfer over 1,000 gallons on a single set of batteries. The pump operates on 2 D-cell or 6 AA batteries, making it convenient for outdoor activities or emergency situations. This versatile pump is ideal for use in cars, boats, and other vehicles, as well as for general household liquid transfer needs. The Sminky Kick mats with organizer are designed to protect your car's back seat from dirt, mud, and scuff marks. Measuring 24 inches by 16.5 inches, they offer 15% more coverage than other brands. The double-layered fabric ensures durability and easy cleaning. 2 mesh pockets provide convenient storage for small items. These kick mats are compatible with most vehicles, including cars, SUVs, trucks, and minivans. They are easy to install with adjustable straps and buckles. Ideal for families with children or pets, they help maintain a clean and organized vehicle interior. The 2-ton scissor jack kit is a comprehensive solution for emergency tire changes. It includes a 2-ton scissor jack, ratchet wrench, lug wrench, gloves, tire pressure gauge, and a storage bag. Designed for vehicles up to 2 tons, it lifts from 4.33 inches to 15.75 inches, accommodating low sedans and high SUVs. Constructed from high-quality corrosion-resistant materials, this kit ensures durability and reliability in various weather conditions. Its compact design allows for easy storage storage in your trunk or garage, making it ready for any roadside emergency. The Fantic X9 Pro is a versatile portable tire inflator designed for quick and efficient inflation. It can refill a compact car tire from 30 to 35 psi in just 1 minute and offers a maximum pressure of 150 psi, making it suitable for motorcycles, SUVs, bicycles, sports balls, and other inflatables. Its integrated hose and body design ensure easy storage and accessibility. Powered by a built-in 7.4 volts, 2.5 amp hours battery, it provides up to 23 minutes of continuous operation without automatic shutoff. The device features 4 intelligent modes and an auto-stop function that halts inflation once the preset pressure is reached, enhancing user convenience. The Zetum car windshield cover is a heavy-duty protector designed to shield your vehicle's windshield and side mirrors from snow, ice, and frost. Measuring 70 inches by 50 inches, it fits most cars, trucks, SUVs, vans, and MPVs. Crafted from premium 600D Oxford cloth with a PU coating, it offers exceptional durability and waterproofing. The cover features quick-release buckles for secure attachment and includes side mirror covers to ensure comprehensive protection. Coverato's waterproof seat covers are designed to protect your car seats from spills, stains, pet hair, and UV rays. Made from premium Napa leather, they offer a comfortable and stylish touch. These covers are easy to install and fit most cars, SUVs, trucks, and pickup vehicles. They maintain the full functionality of your seats, including airbags, seatbelts, armrests, and seat adjustments. Available in various colors, they allow you to customize your car's interior to your liking. The Orion MotorTech 24-piece heavy-duty disc brake piston caliper compressor rewind tool set is designed for efficient brake pad and shoe replacement. It includes both right-handed and left-handed thrust bolt assemblies, along with 18 disc adapters, making it compatible with a wide range of vehicles, including American, European, and Japanese models. Constructed from durable carbon steel with a rust-resistant finish, this tool set ensures long-lasting performance. The set comes with an ABS carrying case for easy storage and organization. The Red Tiger Dash Cam Hardwire Kit provides a reliable power source for your dash cam, ensuring continuous monitoring even when your vehicle is off. It features an 11.5-foot USB-C cable, converting your car's 12 to 24-volt power to a steady 5 volts 2 amps output. This setup supports 24-hour surveillance, allowing your dash cam to operate continuously. The kit includes multiple fuse adapters for easy installation and is equipped with low-voltage protection, automatically cutting off power if the voltage drops below 11.8 volts to prevent battery drain. The Solaride Window Breaker Seatbelt Cutter with Flashlight is a versatile 2-in-1 car emergency tool designed to enhance safety during unexpected situations. Equipped with a tungsten steel drill bit, it ensures quick and efficient window breaking, even under extreme conditions. The built-in seatbelt cutter allows for one-handed operation, facilitating swift escape when necessary. Additionally, it features a dual-mode flashlight with strobe and full light settings. The ergonomic design and compact size make it easy to carry as a keychain or store in your vehicle, ensuring you're prepared for emergencies. The ASPL48 LED rooftop strobe light is a high-visibility emergency safety warning light designed for vehicles such as snowplows, trucks, and construction equipment. It features 48 high-intensity LED chips with magnifying lenses to maximize light output, ensuring effective warnings to other vehicles. The light is equipped with 2 strong magnets and thick rubber suction cups for easy and secure mounting without damaging the vehicle's roof. It offers 16 different flashing patterns, which can be conveniently controlled via a double switch button on the cigarette lighter plug. The light is completely waterproof, dustproof, and corrosion-resistant, with a lifespan of up to 50,000 hours. The Plastic Welder Kit is a versatile tool designed for repairing various plastic items, including car bumpers, dashboards, and household plastics. It features a 220-watt power output for rapid heating, ensuring efficient repairs. The kit includes 1,000 hot staples in 6 types, 100 plastic welding rods, and additional accessories like stainless steel mesh and aluminum foil paper. An ergonomic non-slip handle and LED light enhance usability, making it suitable for both DIY enthusiasts and professionals. The Betul petrol engine cylinder compression tester kit is designed for quick and accurate compression testing of petrol engines. It features a 3-inch dual-color scale gauge with a pressure range of 0 to 300 psi, 0 to 20 bar, for easy reading. The kit includes 2 rubber cone ends for quick checks without threading into the head, and a 17.7-inch extension hose with 4 sizes, 10mm, 12mm, 14mm, 18mm, of selectable brass adapters, making it suitable for motorcycles, cars, trucks, ATVs, and more. An easy pressure release button on the side of the tester ensures convenient operation. The Apokamori portable CarPlay screen enhances your driving experience by integrating Apple CarPlay and Android Auto into your vehicle. This 7-inch HD touchscreen allows you to access navigation, make hands-free calls, and play music directly from your smartphone. Its wireless connectivity ensures a seamless connection, while the built-in Bluetooth and FM transmitter provide versatile audio options. Designed for easy installation, it fits most vehicles and mounts securely on your dashboard or windshield, making your driving experience safer and more convenient. The Lofty Aim lumbar support pillow is designed to alleviate lower back pain and enhance comfort during prolonged sitting. Crafted from high-density memory foam, it offers robust support and maintains its shape over time. The ergonomic design conforms to the natural curve of your spine, promoting better posture. Its adjustable straps ensure a secure fit on various seats, including office chairs, car seats, and wheelchairs. The breathable 4D mesh cover enhances air circulation, keeping you cool and comfortable. The Yestlu Camshaft holding tool kit is designed for Ford 3.5-liter and 3.7-liter engines, including models like Edge, Explorer, F-150, and Mustang. It ensures precise camshaft alignment during timing chain maintenance, simplifying repairs. The kit includes 2 camshaft holding tools, a tension tool, a camshaft screw removal tool, and gloves, all stored in a portable case for easy transport and storage. This Foxprod J1772 to Tesla charger adapter enables Tesla Model 3, Y, X, and S owners to charge at public level 2 charging stations equipped with SAE J1772 connectors. It supports fast charging up to 80 amps at 280 volts, ensuring efficient power delivery. The adapter is crafted from durable PC material with silver-plated pins and features an IP55 waterproof rating, providing protection against electric leakage, overheating, and overvoltage. Its intelligent chip ensures safe power management, and the sturdy locking mechanism guarantees a stable connection during charging. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more exciting new products from Amazon. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon to never miss our latest videos. See you soon.